I don't understand why people make getting clients so hard as a life coach. To be honest with you, it's super simple and you can do it in 3 easy steps. And we're going to be going over that in this video.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers go out there and create and generate their first or next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing business, where they go out there and they generate $10,000 or more for their life coach and healing business in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about the 3 major steps, right? 3 easy steps that you can go out there right now as a life coach and sign up multiple new clients, new paying clients for your life coaching business in just 7 days flat. We're going to be talking about how you can get your first clients as a life coach in this video very quickly. Without any further ado, let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, why are we as life coaches going to get paid to begin with? Before I talk to you about the 3-step selling system that we use here over at Life Coach Launch to go out there and sign up new paying clients for our life coaching businesses every single week, right? Let's understand, why are we going to be getting paid to be life coaches to begin with? Why are clients going to hire us as a life coach and they pay us hard-earned money to help them, right, with a problem? Well, we first want to understand what is a life coach? What does a life coach do? Well, I think a broad spectrum is a life coach is going to help someone who has a problem in their life that they want to solve. But to really break that down at a high level, we want to look at that life coaches are going to be helping people in 3 major markets. They're going to be helping people with health, they're going to be helping people with wealth, or they're going to be helping people with relationships. And usually the solution that they have to help somebody with their life is going to follow inside of one of those 3 core markets. And we want to make sure that we understand what those 3 core markets are, that we also make sure that we have a profitable niche, a perfect profitable niche that we've identified that has a problem, right? We have another videos here on our channel that talk about how to go out there and identify and pick out your perfect profitable niche to help you go out there and make a lot of money as a life coach really fast. But we also want to make sure, right, that we really understand what is it that our clients are wanting to get to, right? At the end of the day, they're going to be paying us because we're going to be helping them get to a goal. Those goals are going to be surface and core desires that they have. Usually we're going to be helping them get to their surface desires. I help life coaches make more money. Usually I help them build a system where they can go out there and create and generate $10,000 or more months for their life coach and healing businesses on autopilot every single 30 days or less, right? So me being able to help them do that helps them get closer to a core desire they might have, which might be spending more time with their family, right? Quitting their 9-to-5 job so they can be a coach full time and live the entrepreneurial lifestyle, travel more, whatever it might be, right? But ultimately, me helping them make more money, surface desire, is helping them get to their core desire more. We need to identify what those are inside of our niche so that we can communicate with our niche specifically what it is that we can do to help them, and specifically create an irresistible offer that's going to be able to help them. And when we do that, it's going to be a lot easier to talk to the people that need our help, and a lot easier, right, to attract them towards us so that we can start helping them with profitable presentations. Before I go into specifically how you can go out there here in the next week, right, and sign up your first life coaching clients using profitable presentations, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can go out there and create and generate their first 10K paydays for their life coach and healing business, where they go out there and generate $10,000, right, in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so we want to go out there and we want to run a profitable presentation. It's going to be our first profitable presentation. Well, what we want to make sure that we do is we run what's classified as a cash campaign. So your cash campaign is going to be where you go out there and you let everybody that you know what it is that you're doing. You pick a date, right, in the next week, and you just start promoting this, right, every single day, getting people, registered to come to your profitable presentation. We usually do this in like a 7 to 10 day window. So, we've had a lot of life coaches, including my wife and myself, go out there in a 7-day window and start doing this, and usually sign up 6 to 8 people while doing this. Now, disclaimer, it doesn't mean that's what you're going to do. Obviously, you need to put on a profitable presentation. You need to have a profitable niche. You need to have a irresistible life coaching offer. There's a lot of things you need to have at this profitable presentation, and we showed you how to do that on this channel. So make sure to go through and watch all the videos that are going to show you specifically how to create an offer, how to pick your niche, right, and how to put on a successful, profitable presentation that's going to help you make a lot of money as a life coach every single week. But we want to make sure that we let everybody know, right? There's going to be distribution channels. That can be social media, that can be email, that can be text message, right? There's a lot of different ways. That can be posting, publishing, right? That can be, a lot of different things. Going onto your podcast, right? Writing a blog article about what you're going to be, whatever it might be. But we want to make sure that we let the people know the people who know who we are, we want to let them know what we have planned. We want to make sure that we pick a date and let them know what that date is so that they can start registering to come to this profitable presentation. And then usually we can put together like a Facebook group or something really simple to where we can run that presentation and ultimately get all of these people together so they can come and see what it is that we're working on and ultimately what it is that we're going to be able to help them with very, very soon. The next thing we do after we run this cash campaign, we let everybody know what it is that we're doing, the date we're going to be doing it, and specifically like what our goals are at this profitable presentation. We want to make sure that we run the profitable presentation, right? I know this might sound simple, but we simply need to show up. And the truth of the matter is a lot of people simply don't. And if you show up, you're way ahead of the game. I mean, you really are, simply because you showed up. I can't tell you how many life coaches that work with us over at Life Coach Launch or within the 10K Payday system and program and mastermind, and they get over there and they simply show up and they think they did a horrible job. But at the end of the day, after that first one, they signed up 2, 3, sometimes even 6, 7, or even 8 people. And now they have paying clients and they're able to fulfill these paying clients, help these people with problems, and they feel like an actual life coach. And I think a lot of the times you simply just at this presentation need to show up and you simply need to help people. Sometimes, yeah, the slides are going to help you, the demonstrations, the stuff we teach you at Life Coach Launch is going to help you, but by simply just showing up and wanting to help people, by actually helping people, you're going to shine through, and the people that are actually going to be able to get your help and continually be able to get your help are going to want to sign up with you if they can. And if you give them a good offer to sign up with you, they will. So I really want to make sure that you just show up here at your profitable presentations. And when you show up at these profitable presentations, you're going to get better and better and better at them. And then we want to make sure that we do them consistently because we're going to be building a mountain of eyeballs that are looking at us and they're wanting to come and check out what we're doing. And ultimately the ones that are going to need our help are going to sign up with us at the end of these profitable presentations when we simply ask them if they want our help or if they want to continue getting our help even more after that presentation, when multiple clients, right, are going to start signing up with you at the end of your profitable presentations every single week. Now, I think it's very, very important that we also mention, right? Like you're wanting to go out there and create a lot of impact, right? We mentioned it kind of in the last segment where we talked about specifically like profitable presentations. And this isn't about running one profitable presentation. This isn't about running one workshop, one event, one masterclass, one online summit, one challenge, one live, whatever it might be, right? We're looking to consistently use this as a cornerstone of our business, a cornerstone of our business model to be able to go out there and demonstrate how we can help people by actually helping people. And we do that through profitable presentations. There's going to be sometimes people where they need a little bit of extra nudge. They might need to, talk to you or ask you some questions, right? Or maybe they were a little embarrassed at the profitable presentation and they didn't want to ask you questions in front of other people. This happens all the time. So what we want to make sure we do is we reach out to all the people who did not sign up with us at the end of that profitable presentation with one of two goals. We want to make sure that we're either inviting them to the next profitable presentation so that they can obviously sign up to come to that and continually getting our help so we stay in front of them, or we simply want to talk to them about how we can customize what it is that we went over at that profitable presentation so we can ultimately look to sign them up on that one-on-one call. Yes, it's a one-on-one call, but usually these calls are a lot quicker, and we usually have a very, very specific plan and questions and things that we ask and scripts that we use so we can keep these calls quicker, but ultimately we're using these calls to customize the specific stuff that we talked about on that presentation, look and see what it is that we're able to do for them on that presentation, and a lot of times sign up new clients through those one-on-one calls after our profitable presentations, helping us continually sign up new clients for our life coaching businesses every single week using profitable presentations. Are you a life coach looking to make more money or possibly looking to go out there and start your life coaching business successfully? Well, I just got done with a free report that I call, right, my 10 winningest life coaching niches free report, which is going to go over with you the top 10 niches in life coaching today and how you can use them in your business to go out there and make more money quickly. You can click on that link down there in the description to grab your copy of this free report absolutely free. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link down there in the description and grabbing your free copy of this free report, the 10 winningest life coaching niches in the marketplace right now, so you can go out there and start making more money. We'll see you in the next video.